Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about one of my strategies. I basically use the, and this is more of counter trades. I use the 50 EMA, 5 and 13 EMA, as well as the stochastics and RSI. So what I usually do is I usually draw a channel and watch and observe how price moves. So I'm gonna start this, and what I'm looking for is where price is printing a lower low. If we're in a downtrend where price is printing low low, okay, and RSI with stochastics is printing a higher high, okay, a lower high. I mean, so I wait for where price is moving this way and divergence and RSI is moving this way, okay, followed by an engulfing candle. That's further confirmation. Really high risk if you are not experienced in trading this in this style. I wouldn't advise you do this. I'd advise you try this on demo for a couple of months before you engage. So as you can clearly see, we are in a clear downtrend in this channel. Now, this is an engulfing and price has printed divergence according to my RSI. It has printed divergence, but it's not clear, right? Because price is still moving this way and RSI is still moving this way. So it's not clear to me yet. Okay. So I keep waiting for the right time to come in. Press play again. We wait so the price is moving lower. Now, as you can see, price did move lower. Okay. And we can clearly see signs of bullish divergence. However, I don't have an engulfing candle here, so I won't go into the trade until I see bulls coming into play. So I won't take this trade. I'm still gonna wait. Play. See the downtrend still continue. Now it's clear, right? I have price moving lower, obviously, and RSI moving to the opposite direction. And another confirmation here, as you can see, I have a potential gold cross here in the stochastics. This 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is when I would fire a trade. Yeah, this is when I will fire. I don't think about it. I've seen my confirmations around. Like I said, this is high risk, so always watch out for your risk to reward. So I would wait for a pullback somewhere here. Okay, and as you can see, to the bottom of this week is 36 pips. It's quite high. I would still put this here to like 48. I like leaving at least 10 pips in case of a fake out. And of course, you have to always remember to fix your risk to reward. And since I'm a swing trader, I'm patient to wait. So I will go to the higher time frames and see where I could possibly get the most risk to reward. This is 1:3.545, so this is okay for me. I would take profits once it comes here, a bit of profit, and probably see if I can scale into more trades. So let's just play this. And this is around 2 p.m. January 27th, so it's good. Almost into US session. I'm gonna play this. So as you can see, there is another attempt, looking quite scary, but like I said, we need to always define our risks and ensure that, yeah, still 1 or 2 or 3% max of our accounts. And since this is counted, I won't advise you do more than 2 because it is really high risk. Okay. And another thing I'll be watching out for is a break of this channel. So as you can see, within this trend here, we've obviously broken this trend, which is a good sign. Obviously, it's coming back to retest lows. So another thing I'll be watching, once we've broken above this high, I know it is a confirmed change in direction. So I'm just gonna wait for another push up and I'll go break even. But since we've created a new high here, so we're just gonna wait for them to break this high and then we've gone break even with this trade. Another important thing I'll be looking out for is a break of this upper channel, which is another confirmation that the trend has changed. As you can see, a lot of consolidation here. And this is where I would be looking for a break of this level here. This tells me that sentiments has shifted to the bulls. Okay. Gonna break even very soon. Yep. Now with the close of this guy here, with the close of this guy, means I have a new high, right? And it's more bullish structure in the 1 hour time frame for now. Temporary, as you can see, we have a high, lower high, we have a low, higher low, higher low, and of course we have a high, high, high. So you can see for now it is looking a bit bullish. Okay, compared to the general structure, it isn't. All right, but in the short term, it is. Okay, and that's why we say this is a counter trade. So I'm now break even. I'm basically waiting for a break of this channel and a retest of this channel and me go into the trade if I like what I'm seeing. Okay, so this is come down. Remember that we've almost broken even here. Now we have a break and a retest of this channel. Okay, so yeah, as you can see where my stop is, almost took us out. It didn't. Lucky. However, yeah, I would advise to keep it as tight as possible. Remember, this is counter. Now, since we have a break, a potential break of this channel and a retest, obviously, but usually because we're above the 50 EMA, I am going to put another trade here. Okay, and I keep it just below this week again, and I'll still target these highs. Okay, I'll still target these highs here. So I'm in a second trade. I may get pulled out. This is a smaller, this is another 50. I don't think it's too big. So 38 again. Okay, and then we move forward with the trend. You can see rejections up there. That's another good rejection from the bull. So I am anticipating a push to the upside. This has printed divergence here, but I feel it's too early, so I won't consider this. You can see another channel forming, by the way. Yeah, looking good so far. Okay, bulls are in. Another push and break even on both trades. Congratulations. So yeah, it's obvious now. I can see another channel here. So I will be targeting potential sells. So as you can see for here, I am approximately 70 pips in profit, and in this trade I am 48 pips. It's looking good so far. We're going to continue with this, and I'm going to be watching out for divergences, correct divergences. Now you can see that price is making higher highs, but the RSI is still making higher highs. So I don't see clear divergence yet. Okay, keep going, keep holding this exactly, keep holding this. Oh wow, it's a lot of money. Good. So this is where I would come out. Now, remember this. I enter when I see clear sign of rejection. Now, this is a rejection, but I don't see a bearish divergence here. So what I would do would be to shift my stop below this previous low here and watch what happens with price. Okay? And watch what happens with price. Okay. Okay. See this now? Now it's time to come out of this trade. Why? Same thing applies. I have a high here, okay, and then another high here. So this leg took out this leg, but printed a low here, right? So you can see this is very clear, okay, and this is very, very clear. So this is where I would come out of my sell. Congratulations. Of my buy. Congratulations. We have a total of 197 pips here, and we have a total of 159 pips here. Excellent trade. I'm not greedy. If the market wants to move to the moon and come back, I'm done. Right. 2 trades, excellent for me. Now, I will be looking for a sell setup. Another important thing to look out for is, okay, where are the obvious structures? I see the next potential resistance is over here. However, you have these lows over here too. So it is looking like it's in an area of resistance. This is where I would be looking for major resistances based on the past. Okay. I'm not going to, I will take a sell just because it gave me the confirmation to sell. If we lose, fine and okay. These are my confirmations. So here we go. Just above here. However, this is really small. Fine. So I can have room for more. I can do 25 pips. And we're going to target the lows. This is my main target actually. The 50 EMA. Okay. Yeah, and then I would target the lows over here. I could be taken out, I don't know. Okay, working out so far. Okay, it's not looking okay. So this is where I would have broken even, especially because we came here. I would be taking partials, but I'm just gonna break even because I don't like the way bulls are pushing. And I would advise when you come to the 50 AMA, it is a very strong psychological point. So you take some partials here, and then we watch how this plays out. Yeah, another thing worth mentioning when we took this trade is the cross over here. I forgot about that as well. Okay, so we had, remember we had the RSI printing. Okay, we had the engulfing, and as well we had the cross. There was a cross right as well. There's the 3 signs I look at, only 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I don't like this bullish rejection. Especially because it's on 50 MA. Yep, you see that? It's good to take into account. So we just keep waiting for now. Clearing validation, we're out of this trade. We made some profits and it took us out on break even, so we wait. Okay. So what I would be paying attention to, because obviously this is now bullish structure on the 1 hour time frame of this structure here. I'm gonna take out EMAs and watch carefully, and of course watch for the same divergences. Okay, so because I've been doing this for a while, I know that this channel is gonna be very close to the 50 AMA, so I'm gonna be looking for a break and retest of this structure here. Let's just confirm. There we go, exactly 50 AMA. So I'll be looking for a break and retest this structure over here. Okay. So when I say a break and a retest, I mean break of this channel, which is also the 50 MA, and a retest. So there we go, something like this. Okay. When I go to the lower time frame, it's clear, it's glaring, right? You have a break and a retest, falls perfectly with this as well. Okay. So this is my confirmation to go in. My stop just above here, say 30 pips is okay. I'm gonna target the lows, which are here. Okay, let's do this. Oh wow, that was a big push. Okay. Now, I don't think this trade could go okay, because I usually like them coming close here before pushing. So we missed this trade by a fraction. We missed it by a fraction. So I usually like seeing where there is a pullback, and then I come in so I can make my entry as tight as possible. But we missed this one, sadly. So I wouldn't be going in. Could wait probably if they come back and retest, but we missed that one, just to be fair. Yeah, so we just keep watching and see how this plays out. Oh, okay, I think it's the end of the session. So this is where time stops for us. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this training to see how I trade my trading style for counter trend trading. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys soon.